And action! Hey yo, hey yee, hey yo, hey nee, hey nani, hey nani, hey nani, hey baskoma. Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, it's that time again. Time for another brilliant lecture in native literature here at beautiful, lovely, sweltering, hot, crowded downtown Agency Village at Sisseton, Wahpeton College. And without any further ado, here comes your man, the brilliant Professor Victor Singingo! Yay! Right on. Okay, we got stuff to do, stuff to talk about. But before we get into all of that, let us extend some blessings to each and every one of my beloved students, even those who have disappeared, the los desaparecidos, starting with Lan Youjin, missing in action. Dao Jianrong, another MIA. All right, who else? Xiao Shengde, right on, you're still hanging in there. Guo Xuewei, missing in action. Che Aihua, another one, gone for like 2 months. Hao Xingling, still hanging in there. We got Ke Zhixiong hanging in there as well, right on. Lang Jieren, probably one of the last true holdouts, and he's doing well. How about Le Xiaoling, also hanging in there? Good job. And then we got Hong Xiuling. I believe she's still here with us. Then we have Ren Huiling, missing in action. And last but not least, Ren Wenjing, hanging in there. Right on. Announcements. You know what I should have done is I should have opened up the email, but there is an I can't pronounce the word, athletics banquet that is going to be held for Thursday, April 30th. I believe that's going to be in the gym. Free food, y'all. Moccasin game nights, course evaluations are ready. This is all in your email, by the way. We got a new librarian, Salvatore O'Neill. Wow, cool. Isn't that Irish mixed with Italian? But never mind. And then there's free back massages this week in the student union. This is the week of April 29th, even though this is set for Thursday. This lesson plan is set for Thursday, April 7th. But you already see we're behind schedule, and that's on purpose. And I already said this thing about students being left. Pop Quiz D is posted, and I'm going to open it up for you. I'm going to make a separate video walking you through it and making references to what's going on in Native Lit class, 261 days till Christmas. And you'll see some connected videos to this one here where I talk about Bury My Heart at Wounded Knee, and these other videos where I discuss more Indian than thou, identity and alienation, Indian humor. So look at these videos. I'll show you what I'm talking about because they actually are kind of weird the way I have this set up. Let me get back here behind the screen and show you what I'm talking about. All right, we're going to scroll up past or stop. There's supposed to be a picture. Maybe it's down because this is stuff that we've already done. What's a pretendian and fakers and CDIBs. I'm going to scroll down because it's going to be down here somewhere. There's a picture of a woman laughing. There she is. Native literature, humor, futurism, and twinkle bunnies. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on these two videos and you'll see what's happening. Okay, those are bonus videos, but I do want you to click on the reply button and post your comments to that. Also, I'm going to be talking later in another video about the king of the Thai snakes, which appears in our textbook. So let's get back to the lesson plan. So all of that stuff's there. All of these videos and all this discussion is there. Have a look at it. I'm going to knock this video off. Oh, also, just a reminder, if you look at the bottom of today's lesson plan, you'll see what more Indian than Taoism is and comparative misfortune, and also a quick discussion on how to get a C versus a B versus an A, junk that I've harassed you about before. So, with that being said, thank you so much for your kind attention to these matters, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you later. Bye bye. Stop. 5 minutes and 41 seconds.